It's gonna be a rant about math. You know, math. And I hate it. Some of it's stupid. By the way, sorry if my hair looks messed up in this video. I'm sorry. I hate just one of those bad hair days. Again, I did fucking shower and it's still fucked up. I hate when those bad hair days when my hair just does not want to be in a good position. Just does not want to be good. Makes me look terrible. But yeah, math. Some of it's stupid and pointless. Some of it I get that we need in the future, like adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Yeah. There's some of it I don't mind. But others, fucking, it's so stupid and shit. Some math and shit is stupid as shit, and it's really pissing me the fuck off. It's dumb. You know, like, I don't mind like a 1 or 2 step problems, but like, I hate those math problems with like billions of fucking steps, like add numbers to make more numbers to make more numbers to make more numbers to make more numbers, and divide to make more numbers, and times. God damn it. I just hate those fucking problems. And I just hate those. Like, why do they make us do this? Like, my mom told me that she didn't have to do that shit when she was in school. She didn't have to do that shit when she was in school. That now, then all of a sudden somebody found a new way of math and shit and wanted to teach us it. He's like, oh my god, I just found a new way how to do math. You could add this problem and divide that problem, and like 80 times 3 plus 4 divided by 6 times 3. Oh, there's a shitload. This is a huge step problem. Okay, we're gonna divide this. It gives us 8. Oh, let's do all these steps. Billions of steps. This is awesome. This is cool. Let's teach kids this shit. Yeah. It's like, fuck. Don't fucking make us do that shit. God, don't fucking teach us that shit. We're not even gonna need that in the future. So why do we gotta fucking learn about it? Fucking stop this. Whoever discovered those stupid new ways to do math with those billions of steps needs to get their fucking ass kicked. I'm serious. They need to get their ass kicked. I nearly failed math in 8th grade. I nearly failed it. I was so close to finishing. I thought I wasn't gonna graduate. I thought I wasn't gonna graduate 8th grade and thought I would go to summer school because I was horrible at math because of all those stupid ass steps and shit. Luckily, I just passed it, thank God, with a C. D is passing too, but the whole year I was getting an F in it, but I ended up getting a C and ended up graduating. I was shocked. Then later, they put me in special education math and shit. I'm in special education math now because obviously I have trouble with it. You know, like, horrible. And I hate, dividing. I hate doing division. Like, my teacher does not allow us to do division, like, with the division sign, like, the easy way. She doesn't allow us to do the easy way. We have to do it the hard way. She makes us do the hard way, like, with the boom, boom, this division, this is like this one. God, I hate doing division like that. I hate doing that kind of division. I just like doing the easy way. We have to do it with the stupid dun dun. How many times is 5 going to 10 or something like that? And then you gotta 1 time or 2, I don't know, 2 times. 10 times 2 equals, I don't know. And then especially with the big numbers with so many steps and shit. I hate it more when it's more with big numbers. Oh God, I hate that. I just hate those stupid ass big problems with like fucking 20 fucking steps in one problem. Why is there that many steps in one problem? God damn it, stupid as shit. Why is there so many steps in one problem? God. And I hate variables too. And integers. Like multiplying and dividing integers are more easy. Those are easy, I'll admit, but like I have more trouble with, especially subtracting integers. That's the hardest. But I'm luckily getting an A in math. I can't believe it. That's the only class I'm actually getting an A in right at the time. I'm getting rest of B's, C's, and maybe a few D's. I'll probably try bringing that up. But yeah. It just seems like every year, like, all this year and shit, we've been doing nothing but variables and, you know, that shit. Variables and integers. Like, I hate those integers in a problem. Like, what's negative 5 times 3 plus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 plus 9 times 8? You gotta do all those stupid steps and can easily mess up and get the problem wrong? What the fuck? Stop discovering new ways. I wonder if there's gonna be any more new ways that they're gonna discover math, like in the future, probably when I'm out of high school, which will be late, which will be next year. I'm graduating next year. But really. And I hate those stupid variables when you do variable math and shit. Like, you know the decimal dot in the times logo in variable math, you know, algebra. You have a hard time with it because you don't know if it's an X or if it's a decimal or times, you know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. I don't think I'm the only person who thinks this, but you know, like sometimes it says 5x3 equals 4, and secondly the x, you think it's times, so you do 10. I forgot the answer to the problem I did. Let's say 10x4 equals, and it's, you know, you do 10, and then there's the parentheses and stuff. 10x4 equals, and then you actually do 10 times 4, but instead it's not times, it's an x. You know what I mean? That shit. And the dot. Sometimes I have a hard time like, it's wondering if this is a time, if this means times, or if this is a decimal problem, because I hate doing decimal problems too. God, that shit's confusing. Why do we gotta do that shit? Why do we gotta do algebra? Fuck. It's dumb as shit. Geometry, we learn about shapes and shit. How many sides does a square have? 4. Who doesn't fucking know that one? No, fuck math. I'm luckily passing it, and I hope I keep this up, but fucking, why are they coming up with so many fucking steps and shit? Why we gotta do those problems with so many steps and shit? And worst of all, my fucking math teacher's a big asshole. She won't let us use calculators. She makes us use our fucking head. Fucking, I can't use my head. Let me use a calculator. How else am I supposed to do it? So this is how I do it. Since we can't use calculators, I have to do this. This is how I do math when I count. Like, what's 10 times? What's like 8 times 5? We're not allowed to use calculators, so this is what we can use multiplication charts if I don't have it though. Sometimes we can't use that either, so I have to do this. 8 times 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You know, I have to do that. And people laugh at me. They think I'm weird and shit. They look at me like I'm weird. They laugh at me because I'm thinking so hard, and when I think so hard, I end up doing weird things and shit. You know? Fuck my math teacher. Let us use calculators for fuck's sakes. And not only that, but we're not allowed to use the equal sign. Like, say for instance, 10 plus 1 equals 11. We're not allowed to do equals. Instead, we gotta do the drop down, like, you know, the V or something. 10 times 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10, 10 plus 1 equals, we're not allowed to do equals 11. We're not allowed to use equals, or else she'll mark it wrong. What the fuck's the difference? What the fuck is the difference? It's the same thing! She says, equals are baby stuff. No, they're not! Dumb damn idiot teacher? Fucking... God! And we have to circle our answer too, or else she'll mark it wrong. So if we fail the class because we do get the answers right and do the step problem right, but don't circle it, she'll mark it wrong. And if you fail that test, we technically got all the answers right, it's because you didn't circle. What the fuck, stupid math teacher? I'm being an ass. I know, I'm sorry. But you know what I mean. Fuck math. I hate some math teachers who don't let you use calculators, including mine. Sometimes we're not allowed to use our multiplication chart, so I gotta do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That shit. Screw my math teachers and shit. Fuck them. Not letting you use a fucking... God, I had the worst math teachers ever. Not letting you use calculators. Sometimes not multiplication charts. You have to do it in your head. Sometimes when I have a learning disability and you're just using that as an excuse. Fuck no, I seriously do. I have trouble with it. I'm being an asshole. I know. I'm sorry, but this is true. This is my video. I hate math. I hate doing all the fucking steps in it. All those stupid hard steps that half of we don't even need in the future. Just trying to get our brains, trying to exercise our brains. Fuck you, that's not gonna solve anything. Get your brain stronger. That's not gonna get it stronger, idiots. See you later, guys. Goodbye.